Hi there! In this video, we'll learn how to use GutenKit's interaction feature step by step. To use this interaction feature, first, enable the interaction module from the Modules tab of GutenKit. Then, add a new page and insert a template from the template library. Click the icon block and visit the Interactions from the Advanced tab on the right side. Then, add interactions by clicking the Add Item button. After that, select Trigger and Actions. Select CSS Selector for the target and enter .Pricing section in the CSS Selector tab, as we want to take visitors to the pricing section whenever someone interacts with this block. Next, adjust the offset, duration, and selector for this interaction button. After that, scroll down to the pricing section and select the pricing section, and expand the Advanced tab and add pricing section in the additional CSS class field. Keep in mind that you must add additional CSS classes for interactions. Otherwise, your interaction won't work. Following the same method, add interaction for other blocks. Now, we'll scroll down to the button block and add Show and Hide Interaction. Select the button block and add interaction by navigating to the Advanced tab. After that, adjust Trigger, Actions, and Selector. After selecting the CSS Selector option, the selector value field will appear. Enter the text .hideshow into the selector value field. Then, select the feature container and add hideshow text in the additional CSS class field like before. Also, you can select each icon box and add animation interaction. To do that, add interaction and choose Trigger from the drop-down menu. Then, select Start Animation as an action and choose Animation along with animation speed and animation delay. Following the same process, add animation to other icon boxes. Then, select each team member container and add interaction. For the interaction, choose Mouse Enter and Translate Y as Trigger and Actions. Then, adjust the Translate Y, Duration, and Selector fields. After that, add another interaction. Then, select Mouse Leave and Scale Y as Trigger and Actions. Also, adjust Scale Y, Duration, and Selector for this interaction. Following the similar process, integrate interactions with other team member containers. Finally, we'll add interaction to the video container. For that, select the video and add interactions from the Advanced tab. Then, choose Leave Viewport and Opacity, respectively, as Trigger and Actions. Now, customize the opacity, duration, and selector fields. Then, add another interaction by clicking the Add Item button. Next, expand the Interaction tab and select Enter Viewport and Opacity as Trigger and Actions. Also, adjust the opacity, duration, and selector for this interaction. Finally, hit the Save button after adding all interactions. And there you have it. Now, let's check how all your created interactions appear on the front end. Don't forget to download GutenKit using the link in the comments section and start creating your interactive website today. Thanks for watching.